All right. So what's going on, guys? I want to talk about, just this other objection. I need to do more research first. I'm actually really enjoying these videos. I hope you guys are as well. So let's just hop right into this. So client says, I need to do more research first. Here is what I would say. And obviously, like I said, I've been, crushing sales calls. You guys have seen my videos. So I'm trying to give you guys as much value as possible. So like, comment, subscribe. Really motivates me to keep making more videos. We're at like 2,300 subs now when I'm recording this. So I'm trying to get to 10,000 by the end of the year. It's kind of my goal. So I really appreciate if you guys can help me share videos around. Means a lot. So usually when they say I need to do more research first, there's another problem at hand. It's not about them having to do more research. They're using this as a block because there's something that is going on. So then you would say, what kind of research are you going to be conducting? Then they will respond, what kind of research you can be conducting? I'm curious. Well, you wouldn't put I'm curious. You would just say, what kind of research are you going to be conducting? And how will it influence your decision? As soon as they answer this question, now you know the real hook of why they are doing research. Because what are they going to say first? If they're actually not, if they're not full of shit, they're going to say, I want to, research what other companies have to offer. That's very vague. But what are you looking in an offering? What are you looking in a team? What are you looking for your ad manager? What would, if you did research, this is another one. If you did research after this call, what would make you move forward with someone else? And this is where you find the real reason. And then you plug that hole. If they say, hey, if someone was able to do email and SMS, if someone was, offering me a stronger guarantee, if someone was offering me, a cheaper price, then you find the real objection. Okay, because the research is just a bullshit word. It's like someone saying, I need to go strategize what our plan's going to be, or I need to go check this other listing or whatever, I have another call book. That's going to be another video. So it's like, if you did research after this call, what would make you move forward with someone else? That's another thing that you could say. Or another angle would be, so what kind of research are you going to be conducting and how will it influence your decision? And these questions are really here. It's not like you're going to objection handle it. You're actually churning the conversation to find the real reason. Because if they say, hey, I'm looking for someone who would a better price, well, then what would make you move forward with us? How can we negotiate price right now? If that's the real reason, then let's negotiate price. Are you open to that? If not, then you can recircle back. Okay, well, what other research would you be looking for? What other services are you looking for in a team? Another thing you could say is, if this was a perfect world, well, the other thing I would say is more research. That's where you would then say, are we not the right fit? If so, why is that? Why did we give you that vibe today? Now this call isn't just for a close. It's actually for market research. Hey, are we not the right fit? If so, why is that? Then you can say, hey, listen, if that's not the reason why we're the right fit, we actually are because we do X, Y, and Z. You can then answer that objection again with the same congruent answer and keep it transparent. These are questions that you can, basically just hit to find out the real reason why they're not moving forward. Now, also, it's I need to do more research. What kind of research? So what kind of research did you do about us? This is another good one. Do about us before our call. Now you can find out, what they researched beforehand. So now you can kind of just, process of elimination, know which one's last. So what kind of research you do about us before our call? They'll then tell you, and then you say, that's awesome. So it seems that the only thing you didn't research was these two things. And then you can point it out for them. X, price, or services. Which one which one is the decision maker for you. And you can reel them back in and then go on that direction. So you're basically just trying to find, through process of elimination, what those last pieces are. So I hope this kind of helps you figure out that objection and get them back into the conversation. This is not, this question is not about finishing off the close. This question is about reeling them back in and finding the real pain point as to why they need to do more research. So thank you guys for stopping by. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.